can't let go.
What's up, you guys? I'm Christine. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to recreate or create this kind of beachy, peachy, summery, bronzy kind of look. This is going to be the first of many like summer makeup tutorials I'm going to be curating here on my channel. In case you guys are new here, consider subscribing, as well as don't forget to hit that bell notification. Turn on those post notifications in order to be notified of new videos. So I'm back in barefaced. Try this out. Pick this up from one of the e.l.f. stores, Flyaway Tames. Push away your hair from your face, and it's cute. I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Minimizing Pore Primer. Finally purchased a whole tube of this because I absolutely love it so much. And we're just gonna pat this right into the skin. Tried this out a couple of weeks ago. It's the COVERGIRL True Blend Matte Made Foundation Comfort Matte Transfer Resistant shade M40 Warm Nude, which I'm hoping is still gonna match me. And we're gonna use this little thingy, which is pretty nice because Velcro. A couple of pumps of this. Let's see. Damp sponge. I don't know. I hope this matches me. Pretty much one layer, but I think I'm gonna add just a tad bit more because we want a bit more coverage. We're gonna be trying this out. This is from Kat Von D, 24-hour Super Brow Longwear Pomade. And I was really curious about this. I know you guys had commented and wanted a review on this. I'm just gonna take a bit of concealer and clean up the brow. I'm really liking the brows, so I'll let you guys know my thoughts on it. The weekly favorites. Just gonna set it with Anastasia Brow Gel Concealer as eyeshadow primer. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, which I am almost all out of again. I'm also gonna be trying out some brushes sent by Sigma. So we have some eye brushes, liquid pen eyeliner. So I'm really excited to try these out today. New COVERGIRL eyeshadow palette. It's the True Naked Peach Punch. It smells like peaches. I love how everything is scented now. Did you guys know that they now have limited edition scratch and sniff stamps, which I thought was pretty interesting. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And we're just gonna kind of work this right into the crease area. See how this works out. Light-handedly right into that crease. Go in with this shadow right here. It's this matte brown. And we're just gonna work this right into that same area. I'm gonna let the brush kind of carve out this little crease area. Positioning my brush, it's at an angle a bit. The shadow is really concentrated right into this crease. A clean blending brush, and we're just gonna further blend this out a bit. Starlooks Soft Small Dome Fluff Brush. A bit of this dark brown right here. Carve out the crease a bit. I'm holding the brush so it's at an angle, so the product is really diffused right into this crease area and not on the lid. This is the E57 Firm Shader Brush. I'm gonna spray it with a bit of the Too Faced Peach Mist setting spray. It's a really pretty peachy color. Pat this right onto the outer edge of the eye. Shadow right here. I'm gonna pop that right on to the center lid. It's kind of dark. I think I'm gonna go in with this middle one, which is a lot lighter, and I'm just gonna pop that right on top of it because it's just too dark. I'm not really going for that look. back in with this shadow and then fade the two colors in a bit. Fade it right in together. For the inner portion of the lid, I'm going to go in with this really pretty color right here. It's also a shimmer, kind of pinky sheen to it. I'm going to spray the brush again and then add that right into the inner portion of the eye. This shader brush from earlier, and I'm just going to drag some of that product, whatever's left on the brush, right into the crease area. Drag it a little bit forward. Blending brush a bit. I just want to blend this out just a tad bit. Try this out, the Sigma liquid pen. Small Q-tip and makeup remover. Clean up the wing a bit, but the liner is super pigmented. Highlight and conceal the under eye area. The Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C6. Then I'm going to go in with C8, which is a little bit darker. Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder. Just going to gently set this right underneath the eyes. We're not going to bake, we're just going to set it. Sigma E30 pencil and of this peachy color along the lower lash line just to kind of balance it out. I'm going to pick up this really beautiful like warm brown just so that we can pull some of that warmth right underneath the lash line. Really pale, so I'm going to use the Profusion contour palette, and these are like my two favorite because it really does like really chisels out the cheeks. Curl my lashes really quickly. I completely forgot that step. Mascara is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. I believe this is waterproof. Blush, we're going to use the L'Oreal Paris. This is one of their Paradise Enchanted scented blushes in the shade Curious. It's so pretty. They smell good, and I love how it has a full-size mirror at the bottom. And it definitely has like a bit of a sheen to it. It's not a flat matte, it has a sheen. Pixi by Petra, Subtle Sunrise. It's a glowy Glossamer duo. A really, really pretty highlighter. It's from my BoxyCharm 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush. Let's use a bit of both. Whoa. Almost forgot to apply the highlighter to my décolleté. I love doing this. It just pops, especially in the sunlight. It looks so beautiful and glowy. The Sigma E36 blending brush, this color right here. And I just want to pop this like right onto the inner eye corners to really make it pop. These are also from my BoxyCharm Paddington Town lashes. If all else fails, bat your lashes. That's, whew. I'm gonna pop these on and I'll be right back. So I feel like lashes just kind of complete the look because they just make the whole look kind of, you know, all put together. I wanted to add like a bit of bronzer, so we're gonna use the It Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Beach. This is supposed to be more of like a bronzy look. We really wanna bronze up the skin. I mean, I am a little bit tan, but I want to make it like so that it's really nice and tan. Really enjoying these from L'Oreal. They're the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, but this is the Le Chocolate line, and this is in the shade Candy Man, and it smells like chocolate. Pixi Sunray. This was just a little bit too glittery for me. I think I could use it in another way. I'm just gonna top it with a bit of this lip gloss from e.l.f. Nude Rose from the e.l.f. times Alyssa Ashley collection. It's a really pretty color, and I love like the packaging. It's rose gold, so this is really pretty. You can actually just wear it on its own, but I want a bit of a shine. It Cosmetics by Pores Press, because this is my absolute favorite all over the face. We're just gonna set everything with the Too Faced Peach perfect mattifying setting spray. Enjoyed this makeup tutorial and it inspires you to kind of, you know, play around with your makeup, create some sort of like summery, bronzy look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe and also hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos, and make sure you hit all. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video.